Hi everyone. How are
Hi.
you?
I'm quite good.
Okay, we have finished challenge yourself 5 and question 4.
Yeah.
Let's start from question 5.
Okay.
Why don't would you mind sharing your screen?
Okay. Just a
Thank
moment.
Thank you.
You see my screen here?
Yes.
Okay, let's see what question 5 is doing. Just a moment. Okay. So can you see this? Is it large enough or?
Yes.
Okay. So question 5, we have to create an array. Okay, then array will return any number and the size will be 10. And the element returned will be counted to the frequency of the item in the arguments. Okay. The first element of the return array represent the number with digit zeros, and the second one will be with digit 1, and the third one will be on digit 2. Okay. So okay. First of all, I think we have to write the method name. It's an integer. Yes, it's an integer. Array, and then the method name is calculate last digit frequency. And then we pass an array here. And then we return an array. Okay. So first of all, the result array will be of size 10. Of size 10. So okay. So first of all, we need to use the generate random integer array to generate an array of 10 numbers. Okay.
Sorry, I have a quick question.
Yeah.
The question said we have 10 integer array, but I remember 0, we can't 1, right? So we only need 9, right? Still 10.
Array of 10 integers. 10 integers. Yeah, 0 is count as the first. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So its size is 10. But it starts from 0. This 10, you mean this 10?
Yes.
This 10 doesn't mean that the last index is 10. This 10 means that the size is 10. So we start from 0. 0 is count as 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the size is 10, but the last digit is, the last index should be 9.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. So we generate an array. So array, the first argument, we look at the method here. The first argument is the number of items. Okay. So we should pass 10 here, and the largest number should be largest value should be 100 or 99. Okay, let's see the implementation. I want to see if it is exclusive or inclusive. What? Okay, just a moment. Random. Next. Let's see the implementation. Next. Okay. Next. Maximum. Okay. So returns a non-negative random integer that is less than the specific maximum. So here, if we would like to generate the largest item to be 99, so the maximum should be 100, because the last integer smaller than 100 is 99. So it will generate any number from 0 to 99. And the size is 10. Let's see the result of the array. Okay, let's see. waiting. Okay. So we can see here the result is here. Copy it and write it down here. So here we have this array, and the result array should contain the number of last digit. That means that I write 1, 3, so wait here. So the index is 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So last digit. So if the first digit is the last digit is 10, it will go to the count as the so index 0. If the last digit is 1, it will count as 1. Then 2 is similar here. Yeah. So we have this array. First of all, okay. First of all, 82. 82. The last digit of 82 is 2, so it will count as here. So we write 1 here.
Yes.
79. The last digit is 9, and so we have to write 1 here. And then 76 is the last digit is 6, so we write 1 here. And 12. The last digit is 2, so we add 1 here. So there is 2 here. 58 here. And 99, we add 1 more here. 60, 1 more here. Here 1. And 61 here. 78 should be here, so we add 1. 29, 3. So the result array will be something like that if we use this one. Do something wrong? Okay. So let's do the implementation. First of all, I think what should we do in order to examine each item in the array?
Use for loop.
Yeah, we can use for loop. So for loop, integer I equals 0, I smaller than the array dot length, I plus plus.
And
so how can we get each number from this for loop?
Use if and modulus.
Okay. Use if. Okay. You mean array?
Yes.
I modulus 10.
Yes, yes.
Then
I don't think you need an if, right? Just the array.
Okay, just the array. Something like that.
Yeah, and the residual stored in the array, right? Okay.
Okay. We
Right, count, right? Yeah. Index square bracket I equals to array I.
Then what should we do? We found the index of this.
Just the row 71, the integer index, and then square bracket array. Can you do that? Like.
You mean like this? Array I, then what? Sorry.
Integer index open square bracket I close square bracket equals array I divided by 10. Something like that? No way.
No, because we don't have index over here.
Oh, okay.
Index in an integer. I see what you mean. In this, like something like this.
Oh no, you need to go index square bracket I plus that thing.
You mean this one?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. So what can say is a very typical method. We use the if statement to determine the reminder when the array number is divisible by 10. If it is divided by 10, the remainder is 1, and then we will increase.
Yes.
We increase the counter here.
Yes.
We increase the counter. Maybe counter for 1 is 1, then something like that. We can repeat this operation for several times, so we can get all the result we want here. But what I will say is actually finding the remainder here as an index, because you can see here the index as the last digit is actually the same. They are pair up. So if it is 1, then the index should be 1 here. So it directly increase the result array by 1 as the index 1 here.
Oh.
It's similar to the previous example. It means that we don't look at if, because the index and the last digit is actually pairs up. You see here, they're actually the same. So if we get the remainder, actually we get the index of the result array. We want to add 1. So it directly increase the value by 1. Is what I mean want to say. Am I right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, makes sense.
Stuff like that. Yeah.
Okay. Both method is a good answer. Can method is more easy to read because it's more direct. You can see what he wants to do. But your method, we need to think about it sometimes. Both are good answers. Also, maybe we try Irene's answer first, and then we try Ken's answer again to see if it is correct. So we put this. Okay. Here, integer. We so. Wait.
Let me get my earphone because there's a lot of eating. Is it?
It's okay. New integer. I will use the same array we have generated before because we have to verify if it is correct or not. So just I have to do some typing.
That eliminates some of the feedbacks because I see a lot of feedback. Is it better?
Okay, that's better. Okay, is it good? Okay, so we call it. You can still hear feedback?
Yeah, like I hear 3 times of your voice. Anyway.
Okay. Let's see. So if the result is correct, will be we don't generate again because we already use the existing array we are using. So if the result is correct, it should be the same here, same as this one. So let's try. Bravo! We did it correct.
Oh, amazing.
Amazing, you did it correct. But what is 1023? 10. Oh, because there's 66 should be 1 here. Sorry, and there is should be no 7. Yeah, no 7 should be so. Yeah, I mixed it up. 7. So it's correct. So let's try Ken solution to see if it is correct too. So you mean if it is divisible by 0, then the index of 0 will be increased by 1. Am I correct?
Yes.
So we do it again. Okay. Let's try. Doesn't matter. We have plenty of time. Oh.
So we need to do 10 times, right?
Yes. Actually, we can use switch. Switch will be better.
Case.
Yeah, we can use case, so we don't have to type a lot of code. But it's okay. We try. If the logic is correct, then it doesn't matter which method we use. 7. 8. Yeah, 9. Okay, so be else. We don't need else because we have already include all the combination we have here.
Yes.
If everything divided by 10 is either 0 to 8, otherwise it's 9. That's correct. So let's see if the answer is correct. Yeah, it is correct too. Bravo. Good answer. Okay, so we can do it both methods. Yeah, doesn't matter. Okay, I think we have tackled this problem. So can we move on, or you comment about this? Or you have any question about this one? Anybody? Anyone?
No. So clear.
So clear, that's good. That's perfect. Okay, let's go number 6. Why the question is so long? Number 6, what did you say? Number frequency. If okay, 0 to 99. Okay, the return value is an array of 10 integers. The first element will indicate the number of unit value in the argument. Okay, the second element will be okay. That makes sense. Okay, the third element. Okay.
I did this one already, so.
Okay. So yeah.
You guys go ahead.
Yeah. So maybe you can try. Can you try and show us?
Oh, can you copy the code that
here
up there?
To you?
No, not the whole thing. Not the if.
Which one? Oh, you mean this one?
Yeah, and then.
Okay, I copy the whole code to you.
No need. Go back. Forget about the if. So just 70. Yeah, copy.
Okay.
And then paste it at the end.
Paste it at the end. Okay.
Yeah. So we start
change the name.
The name is what? Calculate number of frequencies.
Okay. So we have to generate this one as well. 0 to 99,
yeah, sure.
right?
True.
So okay.
And then I just changed the modulus to division. And that's it.
Division, that is?
Yeah. Because you're trying to get the second digit, right? So if we divide by 10, and then it returns an integer, it's gonna drop the decimal place. So it's just gonna leave you with the second digit.
Okay, the first element will indicate the number of you. Let me see. If the returned value is an array of 10 integers, the first element will indicate the number or unit values.
So -1, we need to divide and -1 because the array is start from 0.
Oh yeah.
I'm looking at the question. What exactly it is asking for us to do? I feel there is three elements. The first one is the unit, and the second one is the 10 digit, and the third one will be the sum. And then okay, oh, I know what it means. Okay, I know what it means. Sorry. Yeah, I see. So let's try. Maybe we generate a random number first. Maybe it's better, easier to illustrate the answer. So we have a regional array. So the result array. Index should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So represent. Let's. Okay, I forget how to spell. So 0 should be representing 0 to 9, right?
Yep.
1 will be representing 10 to 19, right? And then 2 will be representing 20 to 29.
That's correct.
And then 3 will be representing. Am I correct?
That's correct.
Yes. Okay. 4 will be 40 to 49. 5 will be 50 to 59. So I don't type, it's too long. So what Lon said about is we have to -1.
No. I just have some. I missed the first.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm misunderstanding the question. I think it's stuck on 10, but the question is stuck on 0.
Yeah. So it's exactly the same here. So what I've been doing is divisible by 10. It's divided by 10 using the property of integer. Integer has no decimal places. So for example, if we get 72 divided by 10, it should be 7.2, right? But at the end, it will become 7 because it's only it will truncate the 0.2 because integer does not have floating point. So the result array should be like if divisible 7 should be okay. Okay, the first one is how many 0 to 9 here? We have just 1 here, so the first will be 1. And the second will be how many 10 to 19? 0. And then how many 2 here?
0.
0, 2, okay. How
And
many
there's
3
2.
here? 2, 3 here. How many 4 here? No 4, I think.
No.
How many
There's
5? Just
1.
1. And then 7, there were 2, 7.
No,
how many
6?
6?
1, 2,
6.
3, 6.
7
is 2.
And then 0, 8, and then 1, 9,
1,
right?
9. And then
So
1,
it is
2,
the
6,
expected
7,
result.
8. Yeah.
Yeah, let's see if it is what we want. Let me copy this. I don't want to type. Oh man. Let's copy this. Okay, display the result. Let's see if we do it correct. One way.
Did you regenerate it?
Oh, I didn't. Oh, I know why. Because I called the wrong function. Okay, so we're 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 3, 2, 0, 1. That's correct. Yeah, have tackled this problem. Do you understand why it is divided by 10? If we know the property of integer here, we understand why it is done. It is done in this way. Does anyone have any comment or question about this question?
No.
Is it clear, or we need to talk more about this one?
Clear.
Very good. So we are able to move on. So let's see the next question. Why a method that takes a string and return a distribution of the letter in the string can be array of the letter frequency? Okay, to simplify your code, assume that letter with lowercase and there are no period or space. Okay, call the method and display the value. Do a count to verify the method you're working is correctly. What does it mean? What does it mean?
It means you enter a string, and then you need to count how many A's, B's, C's are there.
So we need 26 size. I mean, the array should be a 26 size integer array.
Exactly. And you need to get rid of the upper and lower case. That's going to be easier.
Okay, so we can assume that it is all uppercase or lowercase. Okay. So I think the method header should be the same. Calculate letter distribute. And it receive a string, right? So result should be integer array of to be distribution equal new integer array of how many element?
26.
26. Okay, we have 26 characters. Okay. And then we return this array. So what should we do here? Maybe we can make some assumption. So I think first of all we should there is no space there and no periods. That means that the string should be all letters, right?
Yep.
So we can try to make it lowercase easier. So what should we do next?
Do we need to break down the string to chart?
Yes, but how can we break down it to chart?
Is it convert to chart?
I think it cannot be converted to chart because string is more than one chart. So if you convert to chart, it will be error.
So I can use the for each.
Okay, use for each.
Yeah. For each character in the string.
Okay. You mean this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. What Lun say is because actually string, for example, we have string. We have the maybe what work you want to use? Excellent, maybe. So it's actually every string is actually an array of character. That means that it can be recognized by the program as something like this. So we can use the array property for each to look every character in the string. It will be output will be like EXE, ELL, ENT for each character. So what should we do next?
Switch case or if to check each letter and put it in the.
Okay, so switch letter. So case. Oh, don't torture me. Okay, maybe something like that.
I think you need to for each, are you trying to break the string into character?
Mm-hmm.
You can just use a character array equals, and then use the 2-char array to convert, right?
You mean that we should use what should we put here?
1 second. This one? You can change the arrays name.
Change the array? What should we type here?
I sent it in Telegram. You want to copy it?
Here? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's try. Input dot chart array. So yes. Then
So then you already break the string into array in character. And then the for each can do the count, just like what we did for the numbers, right?
You mean this one?
Mm-hmm.
You mean this
So
one?
if we just go for each of the arrays, so basically you run through all the characters.
Yeah.
And then you just use the characters to put in different counters, just like what we did for the digits.
So we have to use the switch case again?
No, I didn't.
So can you type
I have too much time, so that's why.
Okay. Maybe I can tell what I'm thinking. Actually, sorry, I want to comment this one. I think this switch is actually works because we can count how many. We can write the switch for cases A to Z, so we can increase it by every time. I mean, if we get A and then we increase the index 0 by 1 and then Z and then increase the index 25 by 1. But we should remember, I think each letter we can turn it to an ASCII. That means that
ASCII code.
Yeah.
To
that means that we have it has value on it. So, but I don't know the value. Sorry, just a moment. I need to check. Let's see. Oh, what am I writing? Sorry, just a moment. What I want to say is that if it is an ASCII code, that means that it is in order. Let's see. Maybe I show you. Let's see. Maybe A. Let's see what is A.
97.
97. Big A or small A?
Small a.
Small A is 97. Let's see if it's correct. Just a moment, sorry. It's 97. That's great. That means that it is 97. So we can actually distribution ASCII value minus 97 plus.
This one is good. The code
Yeah.
is short.
Yeah. what I'm doing is convert it into ASCII. If smaller a is 97, and then smaller b will be 98. So 97 minus 97 will be 0. So the first array will be increased by 1. And then if it is b, and then 98 minus 97 will be 1. Sorry, and then the first, and then the index 1 will increase by 1. So
b is 98, then minus
and
97 will be run. Index 1. Similar to the previous example.
Similar here. I am using the same methodology. Is it the one you sorry, you write your answer, Irene, or you use the switch case?
No, I didn't use switch.
You use what? Can you show us your answer so we can?
I already pasted in here.
Okay, I see. Okay, thank you. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that is here. Yeah, that is. But a is 1. Wait, where is that? Okay, that is here. I think you are using the similar method we are using here, right?
Convert
but you
into a number.
Yes.
Yeah. Similar concept.
Yes, that's very good. That is very good. Yeah, you are correct. You are correct. Maybe we can use your version to see.
It doesn't matter. I think your version works too, right?
Doesn't matter. We try. Yeah. We can try. Maybe we can try. Input. Oh, here. Sorry. I need to do this. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if we can do something like this. So maybe we can try A, B, and then Z. I think the result will be first two index will be 1, and then last one will be 1. Let's see if it's correct. What? What? What did I do?
Is it all the labeling and stuff is not in sync with yours?
No, I think it's correct, but labeling. Correct. Here. Distribution -1 plus. Yes, it's distribution. That's correct. Okay. Let's see again. Maybe. Yeah, that's correct because the machine is not ready. Yeah, that is correct. Yes.
Can we try the one that you typed?
Excellent. Okay, let's see. Excellent. Should be what? Okay, C. There is one C here. So its index 3 is C. And then E, we have 3E. 1, 2, 3, so 3 here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. We have 2 L. M, N, we have 1 N here. O, P, Q, R, S, T, we have 1 T. U, V, X here. Yeah, we have 1. Yeah, that's correct.
How about yours, the 97 one? Can we try it?
Okay, I think the same. Let's see. Oh, what's wrong? Okay. Okay. Yeah, A, B, C, E,
Yeah.
And then 2L, and then one, I don't know what. So that's correct. Yeah, both are correct. Both are good answer. You can use both of them, and also we can use switch case. In case you don't know how to turn it into ASCII, you can use switch case. Switch case is yeah.
You need to type like 26 times, right?
Yeah. If you type 26 times, it's okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter, because sometimes forget about ASCII, or we don't know we don't know the ASCII of the A.
Yeah, it's
So
really really hard to remember.
Yeah, it's really hard. But maybe we can just try and then output the number to see what is A. If we know what is A, then we know the rest.
So the minus 97 you type is for big A or small A?
Small a, because I convert it into lowercase.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is 65. In my
65 what? Sorry?
Big A is 65, I think.
Yeah. Big A is 65. You can use big A as well.
So I guess that's why is because the method that I type a search on the web, right? I guess that's why they use the modulus of 32, because if you divide the small a for 65, you got 1. If you divide 97, you still have 1.
Yeah,
so you don't need to care about upper or lower.
Yeah, that's actually the same. But I think.
So you just need to remember. You just need to
division by
remember.
32 is better, because we don't care about the lower. Okay. Does anyone has comments about this question? Or have any question about this question?
No.
So we are going to the next question, number 8. Okay, why a method binary string representation of this argument? Call this method from your main. Okay. Calculation. Okay. So what this mean is going to is it my problem? I can hear some noise. Is it?
I hear a very noisy. It's very noisy actually.
Yeah.
Do you have like microphone? Like no, I mean like a earphone. Everyone.
I am using a earphone already.
Lynn and Ken, do you have earphone? Can you use earphone? Because it's very noisy. I barely hear you guys actually.
Okay, no problem.
Sorry. And
Yeah. Just a moment. Just a look at the question first. I try to change my earphone.
should I stop it? Problem about these questions is like you do it and then you forget about it. Like if you ask me to do it again, I can do it.
Convert binary.
Hello, is it better now?
Yeah, it's good now.
Oh,
I think
better now.
it's
That's good.
not. Yeah, I think it's Len's microphone because when he's on mute, it looks like the static
Okay. Does he come
voice.
back now, or you waiting for him?
Waiting for him, I think.
Okay.
Is that the microphone that you have? No, it doesn't work. Yeah, now it's better. Is it better? I think it's better,
Yeah,
right?
it's better. It's better.
Sure.
Let's try.
That's
Do
good.
you understand what it means?
Binary conversion.
Okay.
Binary string. So you
Okay, then-
input decimal and then return the binary string.
Okay, and then integer something. Decimal.
True.
Oh, decimal is reserved the word. So yes. So what should we implement here?
Any thoughts,
Okay.
Len and Ken? Any thoughts?
You see, we can direct to convert to string. Yes, convert the integer to string.
Okay. So it is something like this. Oh, I don't know why. Just a moment.
You can type.
Okay, what he's saying is something like this.
Yes.
Okay, that's one of the solutions. Yes, because it's a inbuilt method here to convert number to string, and then if you input 2 here, that means that it is going to be a binary. It is one of the input method. So let's try.
Oh, really? That's very efficient.
Yeah, let's try 8, 7, and then 2, and 7, and then it is very efficient. Yeah, actually, but I think Racer doesn't like this.
Yeah, I don't think that's what he's looking for.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's correct. That's exactly it does. It does the job, but
So convert to string.
Yeah, but
and then okay.
Okay.
So this function is, so if I type like comma 16, then it convert to hexadecimal, that kind of thing, right?
I think yes. Let's try.
Okay. Oh,
Yes, it's correct.
interesting.
You're correct. Yeah, there is some inbuilt method, but
I didn't know about that.
Yeah, to be honest, if we can use this inbuilt method, why we need to write a method for this?
Yeah.
Yeah, but so I think the the idea of doing this is not to use this inbuilt method. Yeah, let's try with the more what should I say? More
essential, fundamental.
Yeah, more essential method. Yeah, more exactly what we want to do. What we want, what we learned from the class. So how can we convert this? Huh?
Math class, right?
Yeah. Sure. So let's think about how to convert a decimal place into binary.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's think about how do we do this. For example, if we want to do 7, what should we do? And then first of all, divisible divided by 7, right? Y, and then the first will be and will be 3, and then remainder is 1, right?
Yep.
And then 2 here, and then 2, 1. Oh, no more.
No more 2 there. Just 1,
Yeah.
and then 1.
Yeah, so it's 1, 1, 1. So it's actually do is finding the remainder. You see what I mean? So 7. So first of all, for this step, it means that we are going to do 7 modulus 2, 1. And then, so not this step, okay? And then this step is 7
Again.
divisible by 2, and then the modulus of 2. Yeah, right? 1. And then for the last one will be, I mean, this one will be, this.
How many? Sorry, just want to ask out loud. How many minutes do we have left? Cautious of the time.
I think it's about maybe we have 10 minutes,
15?
right?
Is it 10 minutes? Okay, sure.
Okay, 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do is we have to divide it by 2 every time.
Right.
So yes. How can we implement this one?
I can share my logic.
Okay.
On this. I first determine how many digits there should be for the binary number. And then I use whatever you just did, and then use the for loop to calculate the digits. So I did in 2 steps. So I need to count like how long the array should be. Like if I input a 7, then that's a 3 digits binary. If it's 128, then perhaps there's like 7 digits or something like that. So I do it in 2 steps. I first find the count and then do the divisions like that.
Okay, let's see. Can you show us?
Then it's gonna be done like in seconds. Like, do you want to go over this, or just want to sort of show the solutions? I don't mind. I mean,
maybe you instruct me to type.
No, I can copy it to you if you guys just want to see the solution. I don't mind.
Okay, yeah. Why not? We want to see.
That I thought is a contribution, right?
Yeah, we have contribution. Okay, I see your page here. This one. Okay, let's copy all this. Okay, I need to comment this one. And then what do we do? Input. What is okay? That's some value. You mean this one? What? Oh. It's not, no. Okay, you are returning an array of integer, right? Yeah. So first of all, we copy the input here, and then count set 0.
Oh yeah, I didn't copy the initial part here, right?
I think that's okay. Let's see the logic first.
Let me see. Yeah, you can. This is the first part.
Okay. Okay, they have to, okay. This is the first part. Okay, display integer array. Okay. What is this? Why I don't have this one? Why I don't have this one? What cannot be contain a reference to this? What is binary conversion here? The binary conversion. Oh, okay, that means that you are using this outside, right? Something like this.
What?
What do I do wrong? This
no
one
idea.
is.
What
This
did you
one
copy?
is. Oh,
Yeah,
this
that
one
goes
is here.
in the beginning. Yeah.
Okay, you mean this? That's correct. Okay. So this is. So we have to input something here, and then yes. Okay. So first of all, you copy the original value, the decimal value here, and then we do divide it by 2. That means that you're trying to find out how many times it can be divisible by 2. You can divide it by 2. That means that how many it is 2 to the power of how many times, right? This code.
Right. Yeah.
And then you declare an integer array. Yes, declare an integer array here. That's good. And then the size will be the number of count. Yes, that's correct. Okay. And then, yes. Okay, you find the modulus of 2. That means try to use this one. And then the first one will be 1, 0, 1. And the second one will be 1, 2. And the second one will be 1, 2. So every time you find the modulus, you divide it by 2, just like this one. Yes, exactly.
Yeah, like
exactly
what you
the
did,
same
right?
logic here. Yeah, and then you reverse the array because it's from here to here, but you enter the arrays here to here, from this one to the last one, and you reverse it because it is written as the last one to the first one.
Yeah, perhaps
that's
that's the
correct.
better. Perhaps that's a better method, but that's the only one that I could
Yeah,
find.
I think this is the. Is it another method?
Yeah, please share. I think this is very. It's just my logic, but I'm not sure if this is the right logic. Well,
this is
the
right.
only
This is
logic.
correct. I think this is correct. Let's see. Let's see if it is correct.
There should be alternatives, right?
Yeah, let's see if it's correct. Maybe we don't need this one. We try 127, 128. Let's see. 128 should be, yes, that is correct. Yeah, you're correct. I think this one is very good.
Any alternates on that? I find it a little, well, the code is not long, but it's a little bit clumsy. Like I need to do the find out the count first and then do the conversion. Would that be a method that I could combine? Like I don't need to define the count?
If you want to do that, we can't use array because array is a fixed size. We don't know the size of the array. Otherwise, yes, you have to do the count because we have to initialize the size of the array first. Otherwise, you can't use this. Or you can just simply, you don't do this. You just simply assign a very big array, something like that. So you don't have to do the count.
Okay. I can do that too, right?
Yeah. But
then I cannot use a for loop. I cannot use a for loop because it will never end.
Yes, you can, but you need to use a while loop here until the input copy divided by 2 is greater than 1. You still
so
yeah.
I will use 2 while loop. Then I don't. Oh no, I don't need to use the first while loop. I just need to define.
Yeah, define a very large array here, but you have to remove the leading 0 because it's all 0 here.
Right. Can we give a try on that one? Like if we define a large array, 999.
Maybe we can try. Let's see. Okay. Maybe we can try to, maybe 10. 10 should be enough, I think. 2, 4, 6, 10. I'm a ball. So maybe we try 10. Okay, let's see. We remain your object here. And,
but then that means you cannot convert like what 4096 like that, right? So you need to get like.
I mean, you need to get it larger. Like, yeah, maybe I try 100. 100 should be enough. While something, and then the condition will be you using input copy. Divided by 2 is greater than 1. What?
Well.
So, okay.
No, I think the condition goes behind the while instead of after the curly brackets, right? And that's why it highlights red. You want to do while? Okay. Yeah.
While, yeah. Okay, and then what should we do here? And then output binary. Okay, integer I equals 0. Put binary I.
Integer I equals 0.
Input by 2. And then yeah.
Plus.
Yeah, and then
input copy.
Okay.
That's it, right?
And then, yeah. Yes, something like this.
Output binary. What is that? Sorry. What's the last line?
Here. Yeah. This is just the same. Okay. Yeah. And let's see if it is correct. Let's try 128. But we will expect too many 0 in the front. Yeah, this is
what? Oh, yeah. Okay.
We reversed it already.
Why did just 1? What did you enter? 7?
Let's see. 128? Let's see. 128. Let's see if every time we do the
yeah, you can change it to like what 37 or something like that. Perhaps the number is.
Okay, we try 7 first. 7 should be better.
A small one.
Let's see if I'm doing something wrong. Wow, 0, 1.
Yeah, just 1.
Okay, that means that it is not correct. Okay. Let's
output binary 1.
Maybe we can output something to see.
Yeah, equals I plus, and then input copy divide by 2. Input copy you define as integer, right?
Yes, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1 is correct. 1, 1, 1. Oh, shit.
Oh yeah.
That should be fine.
Yeah. Resets every time.
1, 1, 1. Yeah, he's here. So what we have to do is yes. Let's see 128. Let's see 128.
You need to delete. How do you delete all the zeros?
Yes.
You can. One something.
Yes. One. Okay. So we're here. So what we're going to do? We reverse it. Okay. How can we convert an array to string? To we have two strings? Array dot what? Dot string. Let's ask Google.
I
remember there is some join.
Dot to
array dot what? Dot.
I don't think it's array, right? It's
string dot join.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
You need to put a comma, like how you would like to join. Yeah, and then the array.
Like this. Okay, we our string result, something like that, and then we output the result. Let's see if it is correct.
But you still get a million of yeah. Well, you put a dot there. Oh, okay.
How can we remove the space?
No, I think it's easy to remove the space. You just delete the comma you put in there. But I mean, how can you remove all the zeros in the front?
Okay, it's because we can first of all we can find the first one.
Okay.
Yeah. So we know what is the
result.
Let's see.
Equals to index of 1. Okay.
Yeah. So we know what is the first index of 1.
And then?
And then we can substring it.
And then it's dead.
Yeah, and then we can find the first one is 184 here. So we can try. And then result. I always forget the method. Substring from 0 to, I think it's 184 or 184 minus 1. Let's try. What did I do?
A second. Result substring 0.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, it should be 184. 184 to n. Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah.
Okay.
There's been that. Yeah.
That's right.
So we have to remove all the. Okay.
What did you do here? Okay. String result equals string join. Okay. But so you join all the digits to a string.
Yeah. And then convert to string.
And then integer first one result index of 1.
Yes.
So when I use index of, I locate the first one.
Yes.
Okay, result equals
locate the first one here. And then when I substring it, starting from the index 184 to the end. I mean that I found, first of all, I found the first one. For example, here. Yeah, something like
Okay, so you can combine 221 and 222, right?
Sorry.
Like 221 and 222.
221,
the lines.
222. Yes, yes.
Like these two lines, like can you combine into one?
Okay.
I mean, because it won't be 184 all the times, right? It's just this time is 184.
Yeah, so I need to do this.
Okay, so it's result substring.
Yeah, see the same.
Okay, so it's result
this one.
Indexer.
Yeah.
Result substring.
Yeah.
Substring is that's the digit we start displaying until the end.
Yeah, we have two implementation. The first one is if we do substring, maybe just a moment, substring. We have two number, 1, 2. That means that we're starting from the index. That means that the first index and then the length 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then that means that we
okay.
If we don't stay if we just have one number, that means that we start from the
third
number,
digit.
the index, the third digit, and then to the end. Because for binary, we only need to use the first appear one, right? The 0 is useless. So we now found the first index of 1, and then we string it to the last of the string, and then it will be our answer. Or we can also replace the comma. I don't know why the comma is here.
No, you type a comma in 220, right? So you just remove the comma.
Okay. Oh, let's see. Oh, I do something wrong.
No, you did right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did it right. It's just.
Yeah, it's here. So we can change it. We can no need to return anything here. We can just just a moment. Sorry. Times.
It's okay.
Keyboard.
Time.
Okay, then we can just simply
no return.
Yes, we can do this. Let's see. 128. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah.
It's okay. Then you don't need to return, right?
I doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Depends on our implementation.
So
something like this. We can do something like this. Yeah.
Okay, so result substring. Index of. Okay, I learned something new.
We usually use this. I mean, we a lot of time we will use index of and then substring because we want to substring something from our original string that we use this kind of method.
Good. I think time's up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for joining the last section.
Okay.
You have 10 points. Bye.
Bye.